Tired of expensive salon visits? Learn how to master Brazilian waxing at home. In this video, we'll show you a professional hard wax tutorial with at-home waxing tips for a smooth skin routine. Stay tuned. Before we start, let's go over the tools and products you'll need. First, a high-quality wax warmer. This ensures your wax is at the perfect temperature. Next, hard wax beads, which are ideal for sensitive areas. You'll also need pre-wax cleanser to prepare your skin, and soothing lotion for aftercare. All these products are linked in the description below. Preparation is key to a successful waxing session. Start by cleansing the area with a pre-wax cleanser. This removes any oils and impurities. Make sure your hair is at least a 1/4 inch long for the wax to grip properly. Pat the area dry and apply a light layer of baby powder to absorb any moisture. Now let's get to the waxing. Heat your hard wax in the warmer until it reaches a honey-like consistency. Using a wooden spatula, apply the wax in the direction of hair growth. Wait a few seconds for the wax to harden, then quickly pull it off in the opposite direction. Remember to hold your skin taut to minimize discomfort. Repeat this process until all unwanted hair is removed. After waxing, it's important to soothe your skin. Apply a generous amount of soothing lotion to calm any irritation. Avoid tight clothing and hot showers for the next 24 hours to prevent irritation. And there you have it, a professional Brazilian wax at home. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below with your at-home waxing tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and beauty videos. Share this video with friends who might find it useful. See you next time.